Traveling with a baby might seem like a mission impossible, but trust me, it doesn't have to be stressful. Whether you're catching a flight, going on a road trip, or taking a train, I've got all the must-know tips to make your journey smooth and hassle-free. Welcome to Diaper Days, where we make parenting easier. Let's dive in. Packing like a pro pack. Smart, not heavy. The trick to traveling with a baby is packing just the essentials without overstuffing your bags. Here's a foolproof checklist you don't want to miss. Diapers and wipes. Pack enough for the trip plus a few extras. Formula and snacks. Even if you're breastfeeding, having extra food is a lifesaver. Clothing layers. Bring at least 2 extra outfits for unexpected messes. Portable changing pad. You never know when you'll need it. Favorite comfort item. A familiar blanket or stuffed toy can be calming. Medications and first aid. Always be prepared for minor emergencies. Use packing cubes or Ziploc bags to keep everything organized and easy to grab. Road trip survival guide. Long drives with a baby can be tricky, but with the right strategy, it's totally manageable. Plan around nap times. If possible, start your drive when your baby usually naps. Create a baby-friendly playlist. Soft music or lullabies can work wonders. Take frequent breaks. Plan stops every 2 to 3 hours for diaper changes and stretching. Pack engaging toys. Soft books, teething rings, or sensory toys help keep them busy. Keep essentials within reach. Store bottles, wipes, and snacks in an easy access bag. If you're driving alone, use a baby mirror to keep an eye on your little one without turning around. Flying with a baby. Flying with an infant? Don't worry. I've got all the game-changing tips to make air travel easier. Arrive early and check policies. Some airlines allow priority boarding for families. Request a bassinet seat. Many airlines provide them for long-haul flights, but book in advance. Feed. During takeoff and landing, this helps reduce ear pressure discomfort. Wear a baby carrier. Keeps your hands free while navigating the airport. Bring baby's documents. Some airlines require proof of age, so check beforehand. Pack an extra outfit for both you and your baby in your carry-on. Spills and accidents happen. Hotel and Airbnb baby hacks. Where you stay can make or break your trip, so let's set up a stress-free sleep space for your little one. Request a crib in advance. Most hotels and rentals provide one for free. Baby-proof your room. Move breakables, cover outlets, and block off unsafe areas. Use the mini fridge for bottles. Great for milk, snacks, and teething rings. White noise for better sleep. A portable sound machine or app can help drown out unfamiliar noises. Bring a familiar blanket or fitted sheet from home. It makes a new sleep space feel more comfortable for your baby. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to stress-free travel with a baby. With the right prep, you can enjoy your trip without the chaos. Have you traveled with your baby before? Drop your best travel hacks in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new parenting tips from Diaper Days.